Hi, I'm Bilal, a product specialist here at LG. In our Ask LG series, we will talk you through our frequently asked questions. Today, we will cover how do I download and set up apps on my TV. First step, make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Now access the home screen by pressing the home button on your Magic Remote. On your home screen, you'll have a section labelled App List. Here, you'll see a range of pre-installed apps. To access these, scroll using the arrow buttons on the remote or the cursor. To select your desired app, click down on your scroller like so and follow the on-screen instructions to log in or create an account. If you wish to expand the range of apps on your TV, you can do so by accessing the app tile found within the app list, which will navigate you to the LG Content Store. From here, you can search and download the app of your choice. Once downloaded, this will be added automatically to your app list, and from here, you will then be able to log in or create an account. It's that easy. Hundreds of apps at a touch of a button.